Good day. Could you introduce yourself?
My name is Debbie Losito Tobania. I am 32 years old. I am single mother and I have only one son and he is now 10 years old. My educational attainment is I am a high school graduate year 2010 I finished it. I am the second eldest in our family and I have three brothers and I have two sisters.
Okay, so you mentioned a while ago that you came from Middle East for work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what have you decided instead of continuing your work in Middle East? You decided to apply to Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am, because that is my number one dream in my life. Because working Hong Kong has a high salary, and the the work there, ma'am, is only 8 hours, and the rules and regulation there is they follow, ma'am. That's why I love the most to work in Hong Kong.
Okay, then who will take care of your one son if you would go to Hong Kong?
The one who will take care, ma'am, is my mother and my sister.
Okay, do they support you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and do you have any work right now?
Yes, ma'am. I have, ma'am.
What is your currently work?
Cashier, ma'am, in store only, sideline, ma'am.
Okay, and can you tell me your work experience in Saudi? Let's start it from 2021 to 2022.
Yes, ma'am, that is my work there is a domestic helper, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
In Saudi Arabia, I finished 2 years contract there, ma'am. I taking care for children because my mom and sir has 4 children that time, ma'am.
Okay, so you take care for children.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
old is the children or were the children that you took care of before?
The first one, ma'am, is 13 years old. The second one is 7 years old. And the third one is 4 years old. And the last one is 1 year old baby girl, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me how did you usually take care of them?
Um, the 13 and 7 years old, ma'am, is I only cook for them and not totally take care them of the most, ma'am. Only the important, ma'am, is the 4 years old, the son of my employer, and the youngest, mom, the 1 year old baby girl.
Okay, and you're the one who cook for your employer's family.
Yes, ma'am, I am, ma'am.
So what dishes did you usually prepare for them?
Laham biryani, ma'am, bokari, and also the warek anab, their favorite, ma'am.
Okay, so Arabic dishes.
Yes, ma'am.
How many dishes did you usually prepare in a meal?
3 times in one day, ma'am.
Okay, and how about pets? Have you already before taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am, I have already taken care of pets, ma'am.
Okay, and since you have an experience in taking care of toddler, is it okay with you again to take care of toddler?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing to take care of them again, ma'am, when I work in
Okay.
Hong Kong.
What will you do if the toddler having tantrums?
First, ma'am, I will talk to him, ma'am. First, ma'am, and then give attention, just like that.
Okay, what will you do if the toddler wants something, but if that something is very harmful for her or for him, what will you do?
I will explain that that is very very dangerous, ma'am, just like that.
Okay,
To
how
him.
about children? Are you still willing to take care of children?
Yes, ma'am, I am willing to take care of them, ma'am.
What will you do if the children were fighting and naughty?
First, ma'am, I will talk to them and I will teach them right and good manners, ma'am.
Okay, and have you experienced before teaching, tutoring, or helping children with their homework or school activities?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience, ma'am, that before in Saudi Arabia and in Kuwait, ma'am.
Okay, so if your employer asks you to help their children with their activities or with their homework, is it okay with you?
It's okay, ma'am. No problem to me, ma'am.
Okay, and for your your cooking skills? Do you love cooking?
Yes, ma'am. That is my favorite part of the house, ma'am. In the kitchen, cooking food, different kinds of food, ma'am.
Okay, so if you would rate your cooking skills from 1 to 10, 1 is being the lowest and 10 is being the highest, what will you give for yourself?
I want mama 10.
10 over 10. So I think you're good in cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
What if your employer asks you to cook specific Chinese dishes? What will you do? Or do you have any idea where should start with?
Yes, ma'am. If my employer want me to teach to do that, ma'am, for cooking, maybe I watch in YouTube, or I tell to her that she buy book for me for the recipe, ma'am. That so that I will follow.
Okay. And what are characteristics that you think that your employer would love to hire you?
Number one, ma'am, I am the woman with sense of responsibility to others. I am honest. I am hardworking. I have respect to others, and that's all, ma'am.
Okay. And do you have any special skills that do you think that your employer should know it about you?
Yes, ma'am. My special skills, ma'am, is I can manage my time anytime, ma'am.
Okay. And do you have any message that you want to send to your prospective employer?
My message to my respective employer, if they choose me, ma'am, I will follow the rules and regulation in their house. I will more hardworking. I will be honest, and I have faith to our God, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.